Conditional statements in Python are decision making statements in Python. So we have if else, nested if else if ladder, switch case in C, C++ and Java. Here we have if else and nested if in Python. If statement is used to test a condition. If the condition is true, a block of code will be executed. If the condition is false, nothing will be executed. If else, if the condition is true, the statement or statement block before else will be executed. If the condition is false, the statement or statement block after else will be executed. We don't use semicolons, we don't use braces in Python. For any block of code, we use braces in C, C++ and Java. But here we use indentation. If two statements are at the same indentation level, then they are the part of the same block. We'll see all the things with examples clearly. So the if condition true, a block of code will be executed. If the condition is false, nothing will be executed. Look at the syntax clearly. If expression, we can use either expression or condition here. Look at the colon. Those who are having knowledge of C, C++ and Java, observe the things clearly here. If expression colon followed by statement. Look at the program. Look at line number 1. Input function is an inbuilt function in Python to read any type of data, but input function always reads the data in string format. That is the reason why we used int over there here. The string format input must be converted into integer and is assigned in the variable num. If num mod 2 equal to 0, look at that equal to. Two operators, two assignment operators. It is in relational operators. We have relational operators like greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equals to and not equals to. If condition true, print number is even. If your input is 10, 10 mod 2 is 0, remainder is 0, so it is even. If your input is 5, you won't get anything, as the condition is false. Program to print largest of 3 numbers. Look at the things clearly. We have 3 input statements here. Look at the conditions. If A greater than B and A greater than C, A is largest. If B greater than A and B greater than C, B is largest. If C greater than A and C greater than B, C is largest. And or not, logical operators. So if else, if the condition true, then the if block is executed, means the statements before else. If the condition is false, the statements after else will be executed. Look at the syntax. If condition colon block of statements, else another block of statements. The same notation, whatever the notations we used in C, C++, Java, we use the same. The only difference is We are not using any parenthesis, we are not using any semicolons, and we are not using any braces here. Look at the example program. If age greater than or equal to 18, if the condition is true, the statement before else, print you are eligible to vote, will be executed. If the condition is false, the statement after else will be executed. Look at the syntax clearly. If condition colon and again else colon, the notations you observe. And we have another demonstration program for even odd. The same condition what we used earlier, num mod 2 equal to 0. If it is true, it is even, otherwise it is odd. Look at that elif statement, ELIF. This is of its kind first in Python. Elif statement enables us to check multiple conditions and execute the specific block of statement depending on the true conditions. We can have any number of elif statements in our program, and using elif is optional. It is just like your if else if ladder in C, C++ and Java. Look at the syntax. If expression 1 colon elif expression 2 colon. This is important. Elif, not else if. Elif expression 2, we can have any number of elif statements in any program. Look at line number 1, line number 4, line number 7 and line number 10. So if first condition is true, then the concerned statement will be executed. If the first condition is false, then we move on to condition 2. If condition 2 is also false, then we move on to condition 3 and so on. So look at the program, look at the conditions. If number is 10, some message number is equal to 10, elif number is 50 and number is equal to 50, elif number is equal to 100, number is equal to 100, else. If not all the conditions, if all the conditions are false, then we will come to line number 9, the statement after else, the number is not equal to 10 or 50 or 100. So look at that output, your input is 15 here, the condition in line number 2 is false, the condition in line number 4 is false, the condition in line number 6 is also false, so the statement after else is executed. So we have another simple program. If I is missing there, check it out. If marks greater than 85 and marks less than or equal to 100, some A grade. Elif E is also missing, there are some print mistakes there. Elif 60 above and 85 less than or equal to 85, some D plus and so on. Look at line number 2, 4, 6 and 8. Line number 2 I is missing, and line number 4, 6 and 8 E is missing, and line number 10 also E is missing.